replaced by mosques in London. Yes, it is absolutely true. 500 churches are closed since 2001, and 493 mosques are opened and built at their place. The reason behind the closure is the reducing number of Christians attending the churches, while the increased number of Muslims in UK, and their devotion to attend prayers regularly led to the opening of mosques. Apart from mosques, the number of Sharia courts are also increasing in London. More than 100 Sharia courts are running in the British capital. Many churches are officially converted into mosques by the authorities in London. A number of iconic and historical churches are now mosque, and people are attending prayers 5 times a day. According to a research, by 2020 the number of praying Muslims will increase by 683,000. And the number of Christians attending churches weekly will be reduced to 679,000 in London. The number of Christians in churches of London are rapidly decreasing, due to multiple reasons, such as lack of devotion, increase in Muslim converts, youth are becoming atheists, and widespread corruption in churches. For example, at the Church of San Giorgio, designed to accommodate 1,230 worshippers, only 12 people gathered to celebrate Mass. At the Church of Santa Maria, there were only 20. While the nearby Brune Street Estate Mosque has a different scene, overcrowding, its small room can contain only 100. Muslims have shown a complete devotion to Allah, and adhered to every principles of Islam. Mosque is an important institution in the Muslim community, thus increasing mosques in London is no more a wonder. The churches are now operated into private homes and small places, due to lack of gatherings, while those churches which boasted Christian dominance are now mosques, the place of Allah. The situation in other cities of United Kingdom are also same. Muslim population is rapidly growing in other major cities of Kingdom, such as Manchester,